There we go. Right, howdy, 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 howdy. How we doing today, my guys? How we doing? How we doing? Hopefully we aren't too far from the end. Diddly-dee. How we doing? Right, so, that manager. Let's get this up and running today, shall we? Oh god, my eyes. How we doing, my guys? Doing alright? Right. Ignore that one, ignore that one, ignore that one, and we want this one here. Open up. Get started. Open up Sublime Text, because I'm going to need that. And change that to F10. Ah yes, we need to do X-Face Power Manager. Hello, Pancake Sparkle. How you doing, my friend? Oh, I didn't install ZSH yet. Anyway, how we doing? We're getting up and running. Right, where is it? I've been disconnected from chat, so you're gonna have to bear with me because there we go. If you said anything before 120 megabytes, I didn't see it. I saw hello and then 120 megabytes, and that's it because YouTube decided to shit itself. I have forgot where I put my in. No, it's not. ED lib. Okay, I can't remember where I put my H top. Hang on, I've got to get the video up now, don't I? Yeah, I do. Have you seen today's video, perchance? Make sure it's port. Oh my god, I hate this. I get adverts on my own bloody videos. I really should just launch the video itself proper. Where is it? User like, oh, god damn it. CD. Right, where am I? CD, user, CD, local. CD bin. There we go. I'm no longer suffering from the dumb. What was your opinion on it? Okay, there you go. Pop out chat, so that's there. So I don't see the statistics because I don't want to be seeing the statistics because it's going to make me sad. Linux. Oh, hang on. Sublime Text, come back here because I can just do copy. We got as far as Power Manager. Right, did I do Power Manager? X4 panel. Hang on. Right, okay, so I must have done that then. Because I did Garson libwnck, I did that. Did I do upower? No, I haven't. I have not done upower. At least I don't think I did. Do you remember if I did? Oh my god. I've got to do it again. Studio.youtube. I've got to go back and check my check my last stream because I can't remember if I did it or not. Oops. That's funny. Yeah, I can understand that. It's a good idea. Setting it up so easy. It's insanely easy. Like, god damn. Right, so I did libgudev. What else did I do? What's that one for? Oh, I without a doubt. Right, what was that for? There's libusb. I did that. Yes, Beer Goggler commented that exact same thing. Actually, I've just seen that comment. Right, so I did libusb. I don't remember if I did XFace4 panel. I mean, it's here. Well, I did XFace4 panel. I don't remember if I did uPower. So I need to check see if I've got uPower here. No, I don't have uPower. Okay, so I need to do that. So it begins. Right, wget https://gitlab.com/free desktop/upower/upower/ I have to move the pen out of the way. I should probably go there. upower/upower/v1.90.2/u-power-v1.90.2.tar.bz2. Because I'm an idiot. There we go. -xvf upower cd upower. Right, so for actually need to go back once again. CD Linux make menu config. Right. General setup, namespace, setup user namespace. What was it? Namespace support. Namespace support, and then user namespace. It's be enabled, so exit, save, okay, exit. Okay. Of course, before. Hello, Miss Lav. There we go. Right, okay, I need to bring Spotify back because I need to listen to a particular song, because as you know, I listen to a particular song as I compile the Linux kernel every single time, because if I don't, it's not going to work. I'm superstitious at this point. Well, not superstitious, I'm just a little bit stitious. Anyway. Hang on. Can OBS hear? Oh, it absolutely can. Oh no. Let's hope YouTube doesn't pick up on that. Anyway. Time, make -30. Right. Linux from scratch.org/lfs. Read online. Stable LFS. Whilst it does that, I'm just going to come down to the part. Okay, so what I've now got to do after that is make module install, and then just do the usual of moving stuff across. Right, question for you guys. Which drink should I go for first? Should I go for Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar first, or Pepsi Max Mango Zero Sugar? Also, hello Ben, how you doing, my friend? Hopefully, today will be the day of the desktop. Hopefully, today will be the day of the desktop. I'm really hoping that. Upside down. I would absolutely be playing this song. Just making it so you could hear it, but I know I can't because copyright. Oh, that's not fun. Oh, hang on. Oh, Lord. I'm going to put my hair back up now. This is my I've just realised this is my 17th compilation, kernel compilation. It's pretty cool. I've got to admit that. Ooh. Thank you to whoever just supported me and buymeacoffee.com. Yodomo. Help me now. I've got to be careful not to do too much of it, because I might get struck, because my luck. Yodomo. There we go. 2 minutes 29. Very nice. Okay, so what I now need to do, thank you to the person. Right, now that we've done that, we need to do make modules, install -30. Now that we've done that, copy -iv /x 86/boot /bz image space /boot /vm linux lfs systemd. Yes. Copy -iv system map to /boot system map. Yes. I'm going to do copy -iv dot config to /boot config 6412. Yes. Copy -r documentation documentation -t /user doc linux. Right, now that we've done that, we don't need to worry anymore about that. Right. We now go back to upower. So leave this one, cd upower. Z hyphen apostrophe slash pass version /d apostrophe hyphen I source Linux integration test.py. That removes that. Make directory build cd build, and now it's back to the usual. So Mason, stop the music. Now I don't need it. Right, Mason setup dot dot backslash enter hyphen prefix equals slash user backslash enter hyphen build type equals release backslash enter capital D GTK hyphen doc equals false backslash enter hyphen D man equals false and time ninja. Okay, barely anything there. I noticed I'm now back down to 4 gigs of swap space instead of 104 gigs of swap space. Let's hope I don't need 104 gigs of swap space next time round. Right, so Ninja install. And then now that we've done that, we need to do systemctl enable upower. Right, now that we've done that, we need to do libnotify, if I remember correctly. I think I did this. LSFLA libnotify. Did I do libnotify? Right, that's libxkcb common. I can't remember if I did libnotify or not. Okay, that was GTK. That's GTK plus XCB. Have notification. Right, that's startup notification. That's. Hang on, what was that? That was libxface4 util, so I did that. Did I do? Let's libxface4 UI. I really need to. Did I write down? This needs to be done XFace4 Power Manager. Okay, so I'm not sure I did that then. What I need to do. That's XO. X. What's that one? That's Garçon. I did do that. I know that for I can see that. Which is under. Yeah, because there's libgudev and libusb, which I've already done. GTK, okay, that's fine. I've done libxface4 panel, so XFace4 Power Manager. If anyone else can remember if I've done those, if I have what I have or have not done, because I can't remember for the life of me, then please let me know. Please, thank you. Right, libxface4 Power Manager. Where are we right now? So we're sources. So wget https:// archive.xface.org/src/xface/xface4 Power Manager /4.1/XFCE Power Manager -4.18.2.tar.bz2. Correct. Okay. That's hilarious. Shall we try that again, Nick? Yes, we will try that again. -xvf xface4 Power Manager CD Power XFace4 Power Manager. Good. Now that we've done that, all we need to do is /configure hyphen prefix equals /user sysconf dir equals /etc and Time make -J30. Oof. Combination of my inhaler and brain meds are really making it an interesting time. Constant shakies. Whether that or I'm just having low blood sugar. By the way, I can't tell. Time make install. Right. First person that shouts out either Pepsi or Dr. Pepper gets to choose what I drink first. Right. We've now done XFace 4 settings, which means, well, XFace 4 Power Manager, which means we need to go XFace 4 settings. Which means, oh my lord, here we go. Here's the rabbit hole I've been looking for. There's the rabbit hole. We've done EXO and Garçon. We are required to get GNOME icon theme and LXDE icon theme for the runtime. We also recommended, so I'm going to be doing it because it's recommended and not mandatory. Oh, you'll remember that one. Recommended for lib Canberra, lib notify, which we've done, and lib exclaver. So we look at lib Canberra first. Lib Canberra requires lib v orbis. Lib v orbis requires lib ogg. Lib ogg does not require it. Oh god. Right. Here we go. Right, where are we? Clear. tar-x wget https downloads.xi.org/releases/ogg-1.3.5.tar.xz. Hope if I spelled downloads correctly. God damn it, brain, catch up. Downloads, there we go. tar-xvf lib ogg. What did I? Oh. Wait, what? There we go. I'm just a slight bit dumb. Right, so tar-xvf lib ogg cd lib ogg /configure. I would spell configure, right? Like /configure prefix equals /user /enter disable static /enter doc directory equals /user/share doc lib ogg-what ogg-1.3.5 and time make -J30 time 4. Now that we've done that, we need to do nothing else, so now we can go back and then we can go up to do lib v orbis, which we've just done. Okay, so cd, where are we? So wget downloads.xip.org/releases/v-orbis/lib v orbis -1.3.7.tar.xz. There we go. tar-xvf lib v orbis. Whilst I'm thinking about it, I'm going to go summon the Angry Dutchman. Angry Dutchman, where are you? Angry Dutchman, where are you? Being summoned. It's LFS time. There we go. Right, Angry Dutchman has been summoned. So, cd lib v orbis. Now, what I'm going to do is dot slash configure prefix equals slash user disable static and there we go, and time make minus J30. Time make install and install -v -m644 doc slash v orbis apostrophe or this asterisk slash user docs or doc lib v orbis dash 1.3.7. Done. Now leave the directory. Where are we? We are there. Clear the screen. Don't mind the ID. Right, now that we've done that, we can now go back to libcamera. Libcamera requires the ones that we've just done. This also requires an additional patch. So first things first. Move cans that I've not yet opened out the way because no one's chosen yet. Dr. Pep or Pepsi Max, your choice. Here we go. I think. Make sure the microphone is still working. Good, it is. Right, so. wget https://0 pointer.de pointer.be slash lenart slash projects slash libcanberra slash libcanberra dash 0.30.tar.xz. Okay, tar-xvf libcanberra. And what we also want to get is wget https:// linux from scratch.org slash patches slash blfs slash 12.0 slash libcanberra dash 0.30 hyphen wayland hyphen 1 dot patch. And I got, yes, let me just download a 2.68 kilobit package at 411 megabytes per second. Very nice. Right. CD libcanberra. Now that we're here, it is also recommended that we get GStreamer and also lib. We will do that now. Recommended. Also lib and GStreamer. What do I need for also lib? It is recommended that I have systemd, which I have. Which means I need to go back to Lord, I need to go back to there. So Linux from scratch.org. Linux from scratch, read online, stable LFS. I should probably bookmark it with the amount of times I've been here. Right. First things first. We are here, so we need to do make Mr. Proper. That's gonna give us a clean source tree. What we want to do now is make menu config. Come back to also lib. And for also lib, what I need to do I realized I never actually downloaded also lib. No, I didn't. I need to download also lib first. Right. Right. pwd. wget ftp //ftp dot also hyphen project.org slash pub lib slash also lib dash 1.2.9 dot dot bz2. There we go. Hyphen xvf also lib cd also. Right, now I've got also lib cd back into Linux. Make Mr. Proper Mr. PR proper. Make menu config. What I now need to do for this is do device drivers. Okay, so where are my device drivers? Device drivers is there. Then I need to do sound card support. Where are you, sound card support? You're going to tell me, where are you, sound card support? Graphics, sound card support. And then I've already select settings and appropriate for your hardware in the sub menu. Okay. Did I even need to come here? No, I didn't. I literally made no changes. Because it was already enabled, which is annoying. Right, now that we've done that, /configure and I make -J30. Get your brain together, Nick. Ooh, fingers and hands are shaky. It's preventing me from actually doing anything correctly today. Oof, I don't like that. Right. I didn't mean to do that again. Done. And time make install. I don't install the API documentation. Now that we've done also, we can then go back to libcanberra, which requires me to do gstreamer. Gstreamer requires me to do things I have already done, which means I just have to download gstreamer, which is good. tar-xvf wget https:// gstreamer.free desktop.org/ssc/ gstreamer/gstreamer -1.22.5.tar.xz. There we go. tar-xvf gstreamer cd gstreamer. Make directory build cd build Mason setup /enter -prefix equals /user /enter build build type equals release /enter -D gst_debug. Yeah, that is correct. False /enter -D package origin equals https://linux from scratch.org/view/12.0-system d/enter -D package name equals gstreamer 1.22.5 BLFS and ninja. That is a lot of effort. Okay, please don't fail on me. Please don't fail. Actually, Target, we can have a look. Barely even using the system. That's probably because it's done. God damn. And that's just Ninja install. Yeah, barely any effort at all. I love that. Right. Now that we've done GStreamer, we can now come back to libcanberra and do libcanberra. Right. cd libcanberra patch -n p1 -i /libcanberra Wayland pat1.patch. Now that we've done that, we need to do /configure -prefix =/user, obviously. And then we want to do disable OSS and time make -j30. That'll fly through. Once we've done that, we want to do make doc. Yep, we want to do that. So time make doc =/user share doc lib can 0.30 install. Shouldn't, there we go. Alien time at all. Right, now that we've done libcanberra, we need to look at XFCE settings, which requires libnotify, which we've already done, and libxclaver. So libxclaver, which requires me to do ISO codes, because I've not yet done that, so we'll do that. ISO codes, what do you require? You require nothing else. That's good. Where are we? We're currently there, so leave the directory. wget, this is a Debian one, which I like. wget https://ftp.debian.org/debian tool main -i-iso codes -iso so -codes _4.15.0.orig.tar.xz. Enter. Okay, that's good. Want to tar-xvf ISO codes, cd ISO codes, /configure -pre. There we go. /configure -prefix =/user and time make -j30. If you install the ISO codes of a previous version, which we have not, it's just time make install. Leave the directory. Where are we now? We're there. So libxclaver. That's the only one we need to do now. So, well, not the only one, but anyway, we're getting through it. We're getting through it pretty decently fast. It's only been 38 minutes. We're doing well, actually. So, wget https://people.freedesktop.org /tilde svu/libxk lavir-5.4.tar.bz2 tar-xvf libxclaver cd libxclaver. Oh my god, this is an annoying one. Right, /configure /configure -prefix =/user -disable static and time make -j30. Time make install. Now that we've done those, we've also done libcanberra. It's now onto the. Okay, so I now need to do LXDE icon theme pack, which we will do now. So what do we here? Leave this leave the directory. So wget https:// downloads.sourceforge.net/lxde/lxde-icon-theme icon-theme -0.5.1.tar.xz tar-xvf LXDE icon theme cd LXDE icon theme configure prefix equals /user, and I want to do time make install. If you've installed one of the optional dependencies, run the following command as the root user. I've installed GTK +3 because it's not an optional, it's a mandatory. GTK update icon cache -qf/user share icon /nuovext2. That's a fucking weird one. That's a weird one. Anyway, leave this. Where are we? We're there. We now need to do gnome icon theme. So wget ftp.acc.umu.se/pub/sources/gnome icon theme /3.12/gnome icon theme -3.12.0.tar.xz pub gnome sources gnome icon. Oops, I didn't oopsie. Oh well. Right, tar-xvf gnome icon theme cd gnome icon theme /configure prefix equals /user and time make -230. Error icon naming is required to build and just it's because I'm dumb and didn't read. Oh, I need to install. Okay, I just need to. Okay, that's fine. Icon naming utils XML simple. Ignore everything that I've just done. I had a dumb. It's fine. It'll all be okay. Right, first things first, I need to do XML simple, so to do that, it is tar-xvf, no, wget https://cpan.org/althus/id/g/gr/grantm/xml simple -2.255.tar.gz. What do you mean not? cpan.org /AUTHORS/ID/G/GR/GRANTM/XML simple -2.25.tar.gz. Oh, you gotta be joking me. No, I'm being dumb. Let's try that again. HTTPS. Hello, Vaughn. How you doing, my friend? You're not like I'm being dumb. Don't worry about it. AUTHORS/ID/GR/GRANTM. Oh my god. I'm a full-time dumbass. I'm being stupid again. I put an underscore where it's supposed to be a hyphen. I am the dumb. tar hyphen xvf, xvf, xml, simple, cd, xml, simple, perl, make, file.pl, and make, and time, and make, time, make, and time, make, minus J30 test. Yeah, goddamn XML, dude. Let's watch as my... Huh. That barely took any time at all. Result pass, yes. Okay, let's not bother then. And then time make install. Time make install. Okay, now that we've done that, we go back to icon naming utils. So pwd cd tar hyphen no wget https:// htt oh it's http, that's a weird one, tango.freedesktop.org/releases/icon hyphen naming utils hyphen 0.8.90.tar.bz2 tar hyphen xvf icon naming utils cd icon naming utils /configure prefix equals /user and time make minus J30. J30, let's try that again. There we go. Time make install. Now we've done that, we can now go back to GNOME icon. God. Right. cd GNOME icon theme /configure hyphen prefix equals /user and time make minus J30. Mr. Von, I have a question. Dr. Pepper or Pepsi Max? Well, Dr. Pepper zero sugar or Pepsi Max mango zero sugar. And then time make install. Okay, we start with the Dr. Pepper first. Here is the Dr. Pepper. Feels so good on my hands. Oh, it feels so good on my hands. I think I'm either having... My meds are having fun with me because they're causing me to be really rather shaky. Right. Anyway, now that we've done... Did we do make install? We did make install, okay. Now that we've done icon theme, we can now go and do libxface4 settings. We're getting there. We're actually getting through it. Yes, thank God. Right. Tippy. Hello, Beer Goggler. Yes, I saw the comment about adding passkey to the key. Good idea, although I didn't do that specifically for the video. Anyway, hello, Beer Goggler. How you doing? Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. We might... I don't have any beers to drink. The only thing I've got is whiskey, and I'm not exactly a fan of that one, which is a mistake because I've got to drink it. Right. So wget https:// archive dot xface.org /src/xface xface 4 hyphen settings /4.18 xface 4 hyphen settings hyphen 4.18.3.tar.bz2 tar hyphen xvf xface 4 settings cd xface 4 settings. Okay. /configure hyphen prefix equals / user sys conf dir equals /etc and time make -j30. Is that mechanic for exhaust manifold? Ooh, fuck that. Have you thought about just cutting off the exhaust? Straight from the engine block. Have you just thought about doing that? I mean, I know you can't, but have you thought about it? Would be funny. Time make install. just rip the exhaust straight off the engine block. What's the worst that could happen? Don't answer that. Right. We now... Oh, this is another one we don't have to worry too much about. Because I have to do XF Desktop. XF Desktop requires me to do is requiring X04 and libwnck. I have already done xface x04 and libwnck. It recommends that I do libnotify startup notification and thunar. I have already done libnotify startup notification and thunar. So all I've got to do is do XF Desktop. We're getting there. We might actually have a desktop this time round. Oh, we're getting there. Whew. Right. Where are we? We're here. So clear cd dot wget https:// archive dot xface.org /src /xfce xf desktop xf desktop no /4.18 xf desktop -4.18.1.tar.bz2 enter tar-xbf xf desktop. Yeah, pretty much. But like, we're getting through. What did I just do? Okay, so cd xf desktop ./configure hyphen prefix equals /user and time make -j30. Have a quick sippy. Okay. Time make install. Leave the directory. pwd. We now have to do xface window manager, which doesn't need anything. Oh. Panic for distro. Oh lord, that's not fun. Right. For this, I don't have to do anything except download and compile the package. We're getting through. We're getting through it, guys. Oof. wget https:// archive.xface.org /source /xface xfwm4 /4.18 xfwm4-4.18.0.tar.bz2 r-xvf xfwm cd xfwm /configure hyphen prefix equals slash user and time make minus J30. How did you manage to do that then, Von? How did you manage to panic it? Other than doing a me and touching it. Okay. Okay, we're getting through it. Time make install. Okay, we've done that. Now it's XFCE session. Right. Here's the point where we have more recommended. So let's do the recommended. Desktop file utils, that requires us to do nothing. It has an optional of Emacs. I'm not going to do that. Right. Missing kernel, yeah. Oh. That's no fun. How? You really did that. Wget https www.free desktop.org/software/desktop file utils/releases/desktop file utils -0.26.tar.xz tar-xvf desktop file util cd desktop. Possibly. Good idea. Oh, I need to grab a patch as well. Wget https://linux from scratch.org/patches /blfs/12.0/desktop file utils -0.26- update _standard-1.patch cd desktop file utils. If you're upgrading from a previous version of desktop file utils that use the auto tools method of installing and configuring the packages, you must remove the desktop file edit symlink by the following commands. I did not, so we're just doing this. That'd be too easy to keep them though, wouldn't it? Right, anyway. Patch. Why does that feel feels sharp? It's not sharp, it's just the cold hurts. Oof. I might be having a break. My body might be trying to kill me. I don't know. Anyway. -N lowercase p #1 -I /desktop file utils -update standard patch update done. Got to make directory build cd build and Mason setup -prefix equals /user -build type equals release ... and time ninja. There we go. Barely any time at all. I love that. And then ninja install. Okay, now that we've done desktop file utils, we need to do XFCE screensaver. Why does that? Yeah. Building an installation. Okay. Done that. Yeah, I've got all of them. I'm gonna do it without XFace4 screensaver. I'm just gonna use X screensaver. I'll find out if it breaks it or not, because that looks like a load of stuff I can't remember if I've done or not. Right, anyway. X screensaver. WD, leave the directory. So, tar-xvf, http:// also thank you Miss Slav. / www.jwz.org/x screensaver/x screensaver -6.06.tar.gz. It's because I tried to extract the website, not download the website. Not download the file, which I can't because I put it in wrong, apparently. Recommended. X screen saver -6.06.tar.gz. jwz.org. That's correct. Oh! That's a problem. Right, I'm gonna have to hope that I can actually make XFace4 session. Because this is actually correct. This is dead. JWZ XFace X screensaver -6.06 takes you to a dead link. Because what I love is it just quite literally just shows up as 404. The number you have reached is not in service. Please check the number and dial again. I just dropped that in.
Check the number and dial again, or call your operator to help you. We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or call your operator to help you.
That's what's playing on the website. That's what's... Oh god, I love that. Oh, that's got to be the funniest error message yet. That's the funniest 404 yet. Oh, I love that. That's hilarious. That might be problematic, but that's hilarious. Okay, let's make XFace4 session. I've got the required, so let's hope. Oh, I haven't, right. That's got to be the funniest 404 message ever. Right. wget https / chive archive.org / archive.xfce.org / src / xfce/xfce4 -session /4.18 XFCE4 -session -4.18.3.tar.bz2 -xvf XFace4 session CD XFace 4 session. CD XF4 session. There we go. I'll find out if this works or not. I have the required. I just can't do the I can't do most of the recommended. The XFace 4 screensaver is a pain in. Let's just hope and pray. Okay. /configure hyphen prefix equals /user /enter sysconf hyphen sysconf equals /etc /enter and then disable legacy like ACY -SM and time make -J30. Come on. iSource is missing, which requires X11. And if I remember correctly, it's probably going to be part of. Is it part of Polkit Gnome? Oh, I'm going to have to do Polkit Gnome. That's the authentication agent, which requires account service, and then Polkit. So we'll just do account service. Account service requires Are you sure it's part of XFace 4 session? Well, no, that's the thing. It can't find it. This is not X11. Oh, X11 application. X11 applications. Hang on. Yeah, I'm being dumb. Please ignore me. Actually, please don't ignore me. I'll cry. Right. I need to find iSource, which is in X11 applications, except... Where are you? It's the boy, Peter. We're having a small problem, mate. Well, I've done libpng, I've done Mesa, I've done XCB util. And the only thing I don't think I've done is xbitmaps. Right. Let's get right, now that I've figured out XFace 4 screensaver, I'm pretty sure. Oh lord. Right. Right, X11 applications. Hang on. Up. Oh, and it's the last one. This is the last package of XFace Desktop. Hang on, I'm trying to just find... Right, screw it. Scroll up to the top. Temperature links from scratch.org. LFS, iSource. It's under, why is it under Xorg applications? Hang on. Whoa, hold on, I've already installed this. I think. Nah, we've got a problem. Right, I've got a problem here. This is telling me it cannot find iSource. Hub.com. First things first, I need to update that to 17. So remember how I use a repository on GitHub for like making stuff easy to download for this. And no, I haven't done that. That's another. Oh, this is a different one then. Unless it's not. Okay, so Xorg applications is going to require me to do libpng, Mesa, xbitmax, and xcbutil. Yeah, I'm going to do it anyways. Okay. Let's get this done. Pretty damn sure I have. I have. Yeah. I've done it already. Hang on. I've done that one. I think it's just xbitmap. I'm going to do libpng since there's no actual directory there. I will just double check that. I've done Mesa. I will just double check libpng. Oof. Right, I am going to redo libpng. Well, I'm going to download the correct package for libpng and then go from there. So, wget https:// downloads.sourceforge.net/sourceforge/libpng apng/libpng -1-1.66.40-apng.patch.gz. Thank you, Mislav. There we go. Ah, yes, let me just download a patch file at 6 gigabytes a second. Excuse me whilst I just lick the fibers. Yes, let me. The only way I could get any faster internet connection is just if I just licked the fiber connection, which I could actually do because I could just pull it out of the ONT and just go, fiber. Oh my god, I need to shut up sometimes. Jesus Christ. Fiber. Oh, there has got to be something wrong with me. Glass. How, Jesus Christ, there's 6 of you watching. I didn't realize. Hi. 7 even. God damn. Didn't realize there's that many of you watching. Jesus Christ. Hi. Fiber. Fibers. No. Would you like the taste of lasers? Frickin' laser beams. Right. Okay, now that we downloaded the patch, we'll actually fix this. So, diddly-dee, tar-xvf lib png 1.6.40 dot tar.xz cd lib png 40 g zip hyphen cd dot slash lib png dash 1.6.40 dash a png dot patch pipe patch hyphen p1 done that dot slash configure hyphen prefix equals slash user disable static. I've looked up user correctly. Disable static. And time make -330. Now we done that. What to do? Time make install and Jesus, that's nowhere near time make install. Jesus Christ. Time make install and make directory -v slash user share doc lib png dash 1.6.40 and copy -v readme lib png manual.txt slash user share doc lib png dash 1.6.40. That'll be fun. Right. So for Xorg applications, we need I've already got Mesa. Hang on, pwd. I've already got Mesa. Oh. I've got to hope the version of Mesa that I've got will support it. I've got to hope the version of Mesa that I've got is going to support this. Right, okay, because I've got... By the looks, yes. This is asking for Mesa 23.1.8. I've got 23.1.6. This should be fine. Okay, so I now need to do X bitmaps, which requires util macros, which I could have swore I've done. No. Have I not done util macros? Okay, we do util macros. Xorg config. xorg prefix LFS. What is it? So I need to set the xorg config. No, but there's no directory for it. I stopped deleting the directories just as they mark up. I've done it. Export xorg prefix equals /user. Oh, /user. Export xorg config equals apostrophe / or hyphen prefix equals $, xorg prefix sysconf directory equals /etc /enter local stated ir equals /var disable static. Done. Right. I will take your word that I have done it Pancake Sparkle, because you appear to be able to remember this better than I can. So xbit maps. I've done util macros, so I just need to get xbit maps. Do I have xbit maps? Okay, I don't, so I haven't actually done it. Okay, so wget https www.x.org. The only one that Elon Musk can't get /pub /individual /data /xbitmaps -1.1.3.tar.xz or tar-xvf xbitmaps cd xbitmaps /configure $xorg config, which we've done. Warning, unrecognized options. I'm gonna have to hope that actually did it. Screw it. Right, we do it like this. Configure prefix equals /user /enter this conf dir equals /etc /enter local stated ir equals /var /enter and then disable static. We remove disable static then, seeing as it doesn't recognize it for some reason. Okay. Time make install. Okay. There's xbit maps. We've established that I did XCB utils, didn't we? No. Because as I'm looking at it for xbit maps, it just wants to do configure xorg config, but because for some reason I didn't know that the local static was killing it, it just wanted the configure and then the install. It didn't want the make J30 first. Luckily. Right. Now that we've done that, yeah, and there's been a few that I've done that this time around. I don't know why. We've established that I've done XCB util. So what I now need to do is xorg applications. Okay. What I need to do is copy this, go to GitHub. Come to GitHub. Okay, that's not GitHub. Where's GitHub gone? Okay, GitHub. That's called... Have you tried getting good? Test. Add file, create new file. Xorg apps. Commit changes, commit changes. What I now want to do is I want to do... Where am I? I'm here. Hang on. That's just app, not lib. Thank God. Okay. Make directory app. cd app. I want to do wget https://raw.github user content .com/nick matthews-1/test main xorg apps chmod or no chmodding grep-v delta or apostrophe delta hash delta no apostrophe even apostrophe /app -7.md5 type awk apostrophe. Is that a curly brace? That's a brace. Print $$$$$$2. I will get there eventually. Brace apostrophe wget -i -c /enter -b https://pub/i/individal/app and md5 sum -c /app -7.md5. What a space. Oh bother. mv to md app -7.md5. God damn it. Well, that's annoying. Right. Where is it? Where is it? It's here. Rename the file app -7.md5. Commit change. That's because that's what it's telling me. It literally... I'm doing dumb again, aren't I? was typing it out as it says it. Two lines are improperly formatted. 35 listed files could not be read. What? I know why. wget https. Well, rm. I've already changed it. app7 rm app7.md5 wget https raw.github user content .com/ Matthews-1/ test main app7 app 7.md5. No. I see that two lines are improperly formatted because one of them have been hashed out. I hope, and I do hope, that it is an error. It's this one. I hope that's an error because the rest of these look fine. Please tell me which of these lines are improperly formatted. It's probably the first and second, isn't it? It's probably the first and last. Where's X backlight? Right. Ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea. Never mind. I don't know. I don't know. No, it wants me to pull from the file. There. This is... Not found. Moved permanently. I hate this. iceauth-1.0.9.tiles. 1.0.9. What is it? Either it has been moved permanently or it hasn't, because I'm able to download that file. No, I was just testing iceauth here, just to see if I could, and I can. The issue being, not found to move permanently. I've got to do these all one by one, don't I? I've got to do all of these one by one. No, WGet's fine. Oh, it is. I'm fucking stupid. Oh, god damn. Which one was it only able to download then? Which one did it download? Which one did you download? Why did you download? Oh, right. I need to go to the bathroom. Please, someone scream at this whilst I go to the bathroom, please. For some reason, it just downloaded the web page. Oh, I know why. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. So it's /-b. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Right. Okay. This is how frustrated I'm getting. I'm taking off the sweater. Plugging my in. And we're typing out this command in its entirety. Once again. I need to make sure OBS can still hear me. Yes, it can. Okay, so. grep-v. Actually, no, I don't need to, because I need to come back to wget -i-c /. Okay. -b https://www.x.org/i/pub/individal/app/ and enter md5 sum -c /app -7 md5. It worked. Why did it download 123 kilobyte file at 570 megabytes a second? I may as well just go out there and just lick the fiber every time. Just late. Either way, it worked. I had entered the command in wrong because I'm a dumb. I'm a big dumb. You don't question this. Okay. So I now need to stick another thing on GitHub. Add file, create new file, xorg install. Come back to the xorg applications, wget http //raw.github user content /nick matthews-1 /test main xorg install at xorg install. Okay, that's correct. So /e /e chmod +x xorg install /xorg install. Because I'm not typing that out. I'm not typing out that because I'm going to end up making a mistake somewhere, and as much as I just copy paste, go, do it yourself. Okay, well, it appears to be going fine. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing well. I'm annoyed that it took this long. Oh, God, it is, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna be missing that. I'm gonna be missing that, aren't I? It's not the race, which is fine. Also, oh did a certain Max Verstappen go wide and get his lap time deleted, so he ends up starting 6th? Oh no! Oh no! Max doesn't start first for the race. Oh no! It's only gonna take him 2 laps and to be out in fucking front anyway. Line 14 as route command not found. I don't need to worry about that. Don't need to worry about that. Do I need to worry about that? Shit. Yeah. I was reading it. Yes. What did I name the file? .x organs. Okay, there we go. Hopefully this should be fine. Yes. Oh no, Max doesn't start first. Oh well. I reckon it's going to be an interesting race because considering how tight it was and the new HAS upgrades look like they're actually working. The new upgrades on the HAS look like they're actually working, which is good. It's good to see HAS finally performing well. But yeah, I'm going to be watching the sprint race tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, because I've got it on record on television. I'm going to be, but yeah, my commitment to this comes first. My commitment to you guys comes first, over everything else, over Formula One. As much as I enjoy F1, this comes first. You guys come first, did I say? You do. It's on record. I'll just catch it after the fact. I just can't look at Twitter or the FIA decision documents. Which reminds me, what do the FIA decision documents say? FIA decision documents. I love how you can just look up the FIA decision documents. Infringement car, Mr. George Russell. What have you done? Ooh, George Russell gets a 3-place grid drop for the sprint race. So instead of starting 5th, he now starts 7th, which means 8th, which means for wherever he did in the sprint, he now starts 3 places lower. Because of a... oh dear. He did an oopsie. Anyway, back to this. What do you mean, line 14 as route command? What do you mean, not found? It's there. Yeah, impedings are very naughty. Especially in qualifying, no less. That really is just punch. Right. What do you mean, as route command not found? It's there. Right. As route, X install. Right, come on. Come on, don't do this to me. Come on, I want to get this desktop environment done today. I want to get this done today. Please stop fucking me. You'll be told no. No more fucking around with me. X-Randa, right. That's just past X-Randa. That's near the part where it cries XWUD. The XWUD is the final one. I don't know. I don't know. Brace. If I'm gonna have to do this all by hand now, aren't I? $sign EUID equals 0. Square bracket semicolon. Then $sign asterisk LF square brace -X / user bin sudo semicolon, then sudo $sign asterisk else su-c / quotation $quotation / that's asterisk quotation / fi export as. Right. Now, /xorg install. Quick, please. Famous last words. Famous last words. There'll be nothing quick about it. Just like this, being stupid. Stupid. I swear to God, if this works now, I will absolutely lose my shit. And then realize it was me being dumb because I included the export-f as root inside the function file, which I probably shouldn't have done, but I don't know because it doesn't say that. Okay, come on, let's get you working here. Come on, please just work. Please just work. Come on. I don't know which one that's currently doing. I can't see. Xranda, right? Okay. Yeah, just stick with what you know, really. It's a reasonable assumption. Yeah, stick with what you know. Stick with what you know. Okay, it did it. Good. Exit. Oh, fuck. Okay, well, it did it all, so I don't have to worry about it. As underscore root rm -f $sign xorg prefix slash bin slash x keystone. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. And I have isoth. I have isoth now, which means I can go back to XFCE session. So, PD XFCE session. Configure prefix equals to slash user backslash enter. This conf dir equals slash etc backslash enter. Disable legacy hyphen sm and time make minus j30. Come on, please work. Yes. Oh. Okay, it did it. It did it. It did it. Right. Okay. You can start XFCE from a TTY using Xinit 1.4.2 or graphical display managers such as LightDM. To start XFCE using Xinit... Okay, so I need to do Xinit. We will grab Xinit. Okay. wget ftp ://ftp .x.org /pub /individul /app /xinit dash 1.4.2 rm /etc /bin /x keystone. Okay, never mind. /configure xorg config with xinit dir /etc x11 /app defaults and time make minus j30. INIT dir. We will ignore. Right, don't tell me how it goes. I want to watch it tomorrow. But also, good luck to whoever your favourite driver is. Thank you very much for coming on, Beer Goggle. It's nice having you as always, my friend. Alright, make install and install and ld config. Okay. No. No. Anyway, have a good sprint. I hope your favourite driver wins. It should be starting. They should be doing the formation lap right about now, actually. Looking at the time. Formation lap now. Race will be done. Sprint will be done around about 45 minutes most, depending on if there's any safety cars. Might be. I don't know yet. Okay. Okay. So, cat tilde slash dot x init rc eof dbus equals launch exit with x11 at xface 4 eof. What do you mean star X has not been found? No. I have just installed Xinit. You watch me install Xinit. Yep. Because, where is it? There it is. For fuck's sake. Hang on. There are some recommended TWM, xclock, and xterm. I had it set and then I logged out. Oh, my eyes. My eyes need to catch up. There we go. I'm a dumb. We know this. dir local stated ir equals / var disable static. Right. X init, come here. Echo xorg. Okay. Good. Dot wd x dot slash con dot slash configure xorg config with x init dir equals / etc / x11 / app defaults and time make -j30. Make install and ld config. How if I could spell install correctly, wouldn't it? Ah, okay, new error. That's fine. Unable to connect to X server, connection refused. Use the -- option or make sure that the user local bin is in your path and that the user locals /bin /x is a program or a link right. Why? What's going on? Update desktop database and update my database /user share mime. Because that's the xorg. That's the xorg prefix. Xorg file root.server auth.310.558 does not exist. Okay, we cd /user local bin. Okay, so we're there. Because that's the default xorg one, and that's the one I've been using this entire time. It literally says the editors recommend using /usr. I have used /usr this entire time, and nothing's gone wrong, except for now. What am I looking for here? Unable to run server, user local bin. Unable to run server X, no such file or directory. Use the -- option or make sure that user local bin is in your path and that the X is a program or a link to the right type of server. Nope. Nope. No, because I installed Xorg server. I remember installing Xorg server. Right. Start X and at tilde /x session errors. There's the X authority. There's X sessions errors. There's X. I need to source my. I need to source my alias. That's now working from everywhere, which is good. Right, let's make sure I've actually installed it first. See. Right, so cd lfs sources. Do I not have Xorg? Do I not have Xorg server? Evidently I don't. Please remember, I am an idiot. Please keep this in mind. Please keep in mind that I am an idiot. Oh, God, here we go. Right. Okay, so for Xorg server, it requires libxct and libxcvt, pixman, which I've already got, xorg fonts, and x keyboard config, which I've already got. So I just need to do libxcvt and xorg fonts. Libxcvt requires nothing else. Okay. www.x.org/hub/indibidal/lib/libxcvt 0.1.2.tar.xz. Please ignore the fact that I am dumb. This is not news. Yes, I like how it downloads that instant. tar-xvf lib xcvt cd lib xcvt make directory build cd build Mason setup hyphen prefix equals xorg prefix hyphen build type equals release dot and ninja. Okay. Ninja install. Now we've done that, we just go back to Xorg server. It now requires Xorg fonts, which requires Xcursor themes. Xcursor requires Xorg applications. Requires us to get Xorg applications, which I've already got, such as Xcursor themes, which requires Xorg fonts. Xcursor themes, okay. ://ftp .x.org/ hub /individal /data /x cursor themes. What's the time? Oh, it's 11:18. I'm getting close to running out of time. /1 is 07.tar.z. Okay. Okay. tar-xvf xcursor themes cd xcursor themes /configure hyphen prefix equals /user and time make -30 time make install libs directory. Go back to xfonts xorg fonts, which requires me to download another one. Come back to here. Code, add file, create new file. What's the file name called before I fuck it up? font-7.md5. 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 Commit changes. Xorg fonts. Okay. Right. Okay, so cd xorg, make directory font, cd font, go down one. Okay, so wget https://raw.github user contents.com/Nick Matthews -1/test main font-7.md5 cd font grep -v delta apostrophe delta hash apostrophe /font -7.md5 pipe awk apostrophe brace print $2 brace apostrophe pipe wget -i space -C /enter -B https://www.x.org/hub/individal/font/and nd5 sum space -C /font -7.md5. Thank God. Okay. wget https:// raw.github user contents.com/nick /1/test main/x as root vim as root. /as root chmod +x as root /as root export -f as _root. Please. God damn it, I hate doing this. If square bracket EYD equals 0 square bracket semicolon. Okay, just remove as root from the script. Okay. Okay, right, so bash -e GitHub, come here. Is it just xorg install? This looks like the exact same one. Tell you what. No, it's not the exact same one, however, I'm not going to risk it. Commit changes. Right, so wget https://raw.github user content.com/nick /const test main/xorg install chmod +x xorg install /xorg install. Right. No, I've already removed it. Already removed it. Oh yeah, I know why. I moved the first one, but not the second one. It worked because it didn't throw me out. There was no dash in front of the bash, which means if I do exit, good. Done. What that does, what the bash E does, it will then throw me out if there's an error. It'll just throw me out of that. Oh, no, it was the as root make install, and then as root rm-rf package dir. What I did is I just got rid of the as root part and still left it be, and it went straight through. I just removed the as root and it worked. But it worked. This worked because that, if we look, all right, so if you look up halfway up your screen, there's a reason why for this, because if you pay attention, it then says install -v-d-m755/user/share/fonts. I need to do it again. I know. I now need to install it. It's telling me I now need to install it, which I'm going to do. So, install -v-d-m755/user share fonts and link ln-svfn It doesn't have make install in it. I'm looking at it here, it doesn't have make install. As root make install. Ah, excuse my dumb. Configure xorg, make, as root make install. Please ignore my dumb. Please ignore my dumb. Okay. No errors. Install -v-d-m755. Let's user share fonts and F. I'm glad you guys don't. I'm glad you guys are not yes men. I'm glad you guys aren't yes men and actually willing to turn around and go, "Oi, Nick, you're stupid. Here's the fix, you idiot." I'm actually glad you guys are here to correct me on my mistakes that I make. So thank you. Xorg prefix /share fonts x11/OTF /user share fonts /x11/OTF and ln-svfn xorg prefix /share/fonts /x11/TTF /user share fonts /x11/TTF. Okay. That's Xorg fonts. Now, Xorg server. Which means I need to go back to Linux. Like menu config. Okay. Device drivers. Device drivers. Graphics support. Where is graphics support? Where is my graphics support? Graphics support. There you are. Graphics support. Direct rendering manager. Where is that? Which direct rendering manager? Which is enabled. DRM support for VMware virtual hardware. Yeah, that's correct. And then DRM VGA interface. It's DRM support for BICHS. DRM support for... That's correct, that's enabled. And then VirtualBox graphics card. That one isn't enabled, which needs to be. So... Save. Okay, exit, 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 exit. Now, I need to open up bookmarks, bookmarks, Linux, Spotify, rewind the song. Okay, we've got 26 minutes left. I need to make sure that OBS can't hear. OBS can't hear. Okay. Song on time. Make monitor say. Go through. Okay. Dr. Pepsi, Max, Mango, yes. Pepsi Max, Mango, maximum taste, zero, no sugar. That's what we're having. I finished the Dr. Pepper. And I like the Pepsi Max Mango. Tastes pretty good, actually. Of course, Nero Forte as always, because I cannot not compile the Linux kernel without listening to Nero Forte, which means I need to go update GitHub to reflect the fact I've now compiled Linux kernel again. Huh. It's only using 1.4 gigs of RAM. 1.1. That's not too bad. S-bin init. Hang on. I'd much rather it showed it at the top. Oh. I've just realised. Yeah. I can't remember what it was now. And I've just realised I've got to go back into the kernel and do it again. I've got to do it again. Device drivers. Where is graphics? There's graphic support. Right, DRM virtual. Right, there's that one. That's there. Now that we've done that, device drivers. Right, device drivers. Now I want firmware drivers. Mark VGA. That wasn't there. Now graphic support. Where's graphic support gone? Help me now. Graphic support. Direct rendering manager. Is upside. That's enabled. Then simple frame buffer driver. Simple frame buffer driver. I am glad that I have a good CPU. The person who has helped with that, yes. I've got to start the song again. Right. Time make minus 30. Oh, Lord. Right. I wonder. It recommends, if you want to use a simple frame buffer device on a system booted via BIOS instead of UEFI, add the following line to the first menu entry block in boot grub.cfg to initialize the VESA frame buffer. Do I do that? Do I do that? Upside down. Because it says set GFX payload equals 1024 by 768 by 32, which is resolution and color depth. So should I do that? I don't know, should I do it? Good point. If it doesn't work, then I will do it, but for the time being... Ratchet crimps. I don't have like a grip trainer. There we go. Right. Let's put all of this back in now, shall we? We've done that. So, copy -iv arch/x86/boot/bz image slash boot VM Linux LFS dash systemd, yes. Copy hyphen iv system.map to slash boot slash system map, yes. Copy hyphen iv dot config to slash boot config or yes. Copy hyphen r men. Oh, that is correct. I'm just having a moment with myself. User share doc slash Linux. Okay, that's done. Right, Xorg server. Did I not download Xorg server yet? Evidently I haven't. Pub slash INDI slash X server slash xorg hyphen server hyphen 21.1.1.8 dot xz. tar hyphen xvf xorg server cd xorg server. And the patch to go with it. Right, patch to go with it, which is... It's hurry up, Nick, you have 17 minutes left. W get https:// linux from scratch.org /blfs 12.0 xorg server dash 21.1.8. Yes, we're doing Xface. We're like right on the edge of getting it started. Xorg 7.1.8 underscore or slash tier 3 underscore backports dash 1 dot patch. Oh god damn it. Right. BLFS. Oh. BLFS slash or patches. Small time again. Okay, cd xorg server patch hyphen capital N lowercase p number 1 hyphen I dot slash xorg server tier 3 patch done. Make directory build cd build Mason setup. Setup dot slash dot slash enter prefix equals $sign xorg prefix. I need to source the aliases and that, and I've forgotten how to do it, so I'm gonna have to go back and check the initial stages of the LFS book. Local stated ir equals slash var backslash enter hyphen d clamor exactly gaming fire. Yes, fuck gnome. Clamor equals true backslash enter hyphen d xkb underscore put underscore directory equals slash var slash lib slash xkb and ninja. What is it this time? I know, but why? I've already done that. Where the hell is that supposed to be? XDMCP. Yeah, it's XDM, which is under Xorg applications. Which I've already done. It's under Xorg applications. XDMCP. Hang on. It's not under Xorg applications, never mind. However, and I hate this is how I have to find this. I hate that how I found it. It's in a 2008 version of Linux from scratch that I find XDMCP. My Firefox is having a shit on itself. And I don't know why. Firefox is just killing itself now. Yay. It knows it's because that's how close I am to actually being done. It's like, driving head on into opposite lanes of traffic is counterproductive. Why are you being shit? Right. XDMCP is the issue that I'm now having. So, where do I get XDMCP from? I will go to the Xorg libraries. Hang on. Oh, pardon me. Gotta ask you a question. Thank you very much. Coming along. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Can you tell me where libxdmcp is not? Because that's the library file. Because there's libxanorama, there's xranda, there's xrender, there's xrig, xt, xtst. There's lix xkb. That's the keyboard. Should have and are two different things, especially when it comes to me. Because as you know, I break things just by using them. And if Firefox would be as so lovely as to start working, then that would be wonderful. So I've now got to reopen Firefox because it decided to do a dumb. Please, for the love of fuck, tell me it's not actually in Xorg libraries. What am I looking for? I can't even remember what I'm looking for now. Nope, because it's missing one file. It's missing... I can't remember what it is now. libxdmcp. Thank you, sir. You may have pasted it to me, but you didn't send it. I got to hit send, my friend. I don't see the link. Yes, please, because it didn't appear here. Oh, I'm looking at top chat, not live chat. That's... Yeah, could you just send it to Discord, please, so I can keep it? Thank you. Thank you kindly, good sir. I hate this. I really fucking do. Right, I don't know what I'm going to have to do this. I don't know how I'm supposed to shoehorn this in. How am I supposed to do this? Thank you. How am I supposed to... Okay, there it is. Xorg proto, which then requires util macros, which requires... Right. Okay. I'm going to get these instructions written down in Sublime Text. Because I'm going to have to call it. Here, because it's that time. So... Yeah, it's YouTube, man. Right, so this needs to be done util macros. Do this, these in this order. Util macros. Xorg proto. With the link. libxdmcp. 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 And then Xorg server. Okay, right, I've now got that all written down. We will do that next time, because it is now 1 minute to midnight. And as you guys know, I do it from when I start, or from 9 PM to midnight GMT. Okay, how far behind is my watch? My watches are caught up. Okay, so this has been one hell of a journey, as is the usual. So I would like to thank you guys all so very much for being here and enjoying this hell with me. Remember, we've only got to do libxdmcp and then the requisite stuff for that, and then we're done. We should, in theory, have a desktop. Once we've done that, I'll consider doing something like OpenSSH, and then from there, a few other things. But for now, this is us. This has been an absolute hell of a ride. If you'd like to support me, you can support me here directly by liking, subscribing, sharing, super chat, super stickers, that sort of thing. If you want to support me directly, see the little thing on the left hand side of the screen, you can support me there. That just circumvents YouTube and Daddy Google. I mean, our great and loving overlord. We love our great and ever bearing overlord. Right. I'd like to thank you all very much once again for helping me like you have done. I am so very annoyed at the way this has gone, but we're nearly done. We're nearly there. So, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. Remember, when you use Linux, don't panic. I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, good whatever it is, wherever you are. Goodbye.